Hey guys, it's me Helen and I'm back with a new video. It's a quick DIY costume for your dog. Meet Coco! She's a Chihuahua. Let's get started! So what you're gonna need is an old shirt. You'll need a hot glue gun, a scissor, and a loofah. Coco's a pretty small dog, so she got away with one loofah. If your dog's a lot bigger than Coco, you might need more loofahs. So first things first, grab your loofah and cut the string in the middle so that your loofah unravels. Be sure to keep the string that was attached because you're gonna need it afterwards. And if you're using a new loofah, keep the price tag too. Now what you want to do is take your old dog shirt and glue the loofah onto it. This is how I did it. I took the end of the loofah and I glued it at the top of the shirt first. Then I snaked all the way down until the whole shirt is covered. Once the shirt is covered, take that piece of string that you saved earlier and glue it at the top of the loofah. For an additional touch, add on a rubber ducky, or you can just make one out of felt. Just cut the shape of the duck and glue it onto the loofah.
Scrub it up,